Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about including your name pronunciation on your Facebook profile. So perhaps you have a difficult name to pronounce. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to include a little intro section on your bio line here in order to include that so that if people are trying to figure out how to pronounce your name, they don't have to ask you. They can just come directly to your Facebook profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your Facebook profile page, and you want to select the About tab. On the left side, you want to go underneath Details About You, and then you want to select where it says Name Pronunciation. Click the Add Name Pronunciation, and then you can actually go ahead and do a little audio sample and actually hear what Facebook suggests. And you can even do your own if you want to record it. And then once you're done, you would select save, and then it would appear on your main profile page. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.